We need to know when a support or resistance is likely to break. So to repeat, we can also use price action to determine when a support or resistance level is likely to break. So what are the signs we can look out for here? Well, one thing I'm looking out for, and this is very important, the creation of lower highs when approaching supports or higher lows when approaching resistance signals weakness. And if this sounds a little bit confusing right now, don't worry, because we will take a look at an example right away. So if you take a look at this chart, you can see that first of all, we saw a very strong, multiple momentum candles. We saw a strong move coming down to the support. And we also saw a relatively strong reaction. And since we saw a strong move into and away from the support, that is actually a good sign and indicates that it's likely that this support will hold in the future as well. So as we can see, then the price came down almost to the support. We saw a little bounce. The price came down again, pretty much exactly to the support level. But if we take a look at this next bounce right here, if we take a look at this bounce, we can see that the bounce is clearly weaker. And what you also can see here is that the highs, you can see we have one high right here. After the next bounce, we have a lower high. The third bounce right here, we have an even lower high. And this is what I mean when I talk about lower highs when approaching support signals weakness. If we take a look at the next bounce, you can see that, we saw a little bounce with an even lower high. And after this, the price started to crawl here very close to the support. And then we finally saw a strong breakdown. And this is a very good sign to look out for. When you see lower highs coming into support, it actually signals that the support is getting weaker and weaker and that a breakdown is pretty likely to happen soon. Another super interesting thing about this price action concept is that if we take a look at this chart as a pattern, we can actually see that this pretty much looks like a descending triangle pattern, right? This video was just a short clip from our full price action trading course. So to continue watching the video, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you guys in the full course very soon.